Welcome to our informational series about new REQUIEM insecticide. Hi, I'm Dennis Long, Technical Brand Manager of Insecticides here at REQUIEM. And today we're going to talk about some of the keys to success in applying REQUIEM for the control of insects such as thrips, aphids, whiteflies, and mites. Because REQUIEM is a contact insecticide and the active ingredients are not systemic or translaminar, proper coverage is key for the control of certain insects such as thrips and whiteflies. These insects normally feed deep in the canopy on the undersides of leaves. Therefore, there are four primary factors that you need to consider when making an application of REQUIEM, and those are spray nozzle type, spray pressure, water volume, and tractor speed. First, let's consider the selection of type of nozzle to be used. This is probably the most important decision for an application of REQUIEM. There are a number of different types of nozzles available, but only a few are good for contact insecticides such as REQUIEM. Nozzle types determine the uniformity and the evenness of spray coverage. Flat fan nozzles are primarily used for herbicide applications. They produce fewer, larger droplets that often leave untreated areas between them. Small insects such as mites or their eggs often then escape contact of the insecticide. Therefore, flat fan nozzles are not recommended for a REQUIEM application. Hollow cone and disc core type nozzles are primarily used for insect and disease control. They produce more small, finer droplets that often float and penetrate into the plant canopy. They're able to contact the undersides of leaves where a lot of insects such as mites and whiteflies feed. Therefore, REQUIEM and other contact insecticides work best with hollow cone and disc core type nozzles. Nozzle arrangement is also very critical for the delivery of contact insecticides. More nozzles over the top or down the side of the plant allow for the delivery of the insecticide deep in the canopy where the insects like to hide and feed. A general rule for tractor speed is the slower the better. Slower speeds allow more time for canopy movement and penetration. Faster speeds result in only treating the upper sides of leaves or only the outside of the plant canopy in more dense crops. Thanks for joining us today. Here are some key points to consider when applying REQUIEM insecticide. The active ingredients in REQUIEM are not systemic or translaminar, so coverage is absolutely essential for achieving great control of key target pests. REQUIEM works best when applied with hollow cone or disc core nozzles because they deliver smaller droplets for more effective surface coverage. Increased spray pressure and increased water volume increases canopy penetration and delivery to the insects. Slower tractor speeds allow for more canopy disturbance and delivery of the insecticides to hiding places.